Mabuhay! This is Amethyst and welcome to my vlog.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
So for today's video, I'm going to provide you an update and their full review of the product Speaks G Rejuvenating Cream. So I decided to use this last month and I've tried it for 28 days. Today is the 29th day. That's why I'm filming this video so that I can give you a fresh experience from this product. Okay, so why do you need to stay until the end of this video? Simple, because I'm going to discuss to you 5 things about this product. Alright, let's get started. First thing, the appearance. It says here in the packaging that the formulation of this is somehow a sticky formulation. So this is, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it has a very thick formulation. The smell is not so nice. It doesn't have any fragrance. It smells like this product is full of chemicals. Well, this product is really created out of the different, chemicals and formulation. And the scent speaks for itself because they didn't put any fragrance at all in this product. So the scent is tolerable. I can get away with it. There's nothing of a big issue about the scent. I'm not sure about you, if you're sensitive about the smell and if you're skeptical in using products that have, a little quirky smell. Not really quirky, but yeah, it's tolerable for me. And then the amount of content, it says here it's 10 grams per container. When you open a new product, you will see that it is not filled all the way through the top of the container, but it's fine. How will I rate this? Or 1 to 10 scale, 10 being the highest, I'm going to say that for me, the appearance, for me, it's an 8 over 10. Again, the smell for me is tolerable. I'm not sure about you guys, but for me, this is okay. I don't really care about the appearance. I don't really care about the scent. What I really care more about is the effects, which I'm going to discuss now. Okay, so how did it affect my skin? Obviously, my skin looked pretty well right after 28 days of using it. Yeah. If you're gonna watch the whole video, I'm going to insert clips or footages of the first days that I've used this so you can see my skin. I really have a terrible skin. I have acne prone skin. I have polycystic acne. I have pimple scars all over my face. You will see that in the clips that I'm going to insert. Overall, this is effective for me. Why? Because I didn't get any more new pimples after I've used this. So since I have polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS, I tend to have polycystic acne all over my face. For those who doesn't know what a polycystic acne is, a polycystic acne is a kind of pimple that is quite large. It never comes out really. It's just a very, very big bump on your face. It's like a small cyst that grows on your face. It doesn't have zits. The feeling is like it's hard to touch and it doesn't really go away. It just subsides and then comes back when your hormones are up. So that is what a cystic acne is. So after I've used this, I've never had any type of cystic acne on my face, which is a good thing. It says in the package that it is a rejuvenating cream and it helps you to peel off pigmentations, and it also helps in age defying. So that is actually the purpose of this cream. So since it is brightening, it really whitens your face. And then if you have hyperpigmentation due to pimple scars and stuff, so this one is for you because it really lightens the pimple scars. Third, sorry, I was thinking of what to say. Third thing is, how do you use this? Actually, before I move on to that topic, brightening creams or rejuvenating creams like this usually comes in a package. When you buy it, you get to have about 4 things in the package. The first one is the kojic soap, or the orange soap as they may call it. Second is the sunblock, which is also important. If you're going outside, you have to put sunblock on. And then the third one is the brightening cream, and then also it comes with a toner. Okay, rejuvenating cream has active ingredients that will harm your skin if you go outside without sunblock on. That's why in the package they put sunblock gel, so that when in the morning before you go out of the house, you can put sunblock on, because toners and brightening creams and kojic soaps are quite harsh on our skin, especially if being used more often than the ideal usage. So I didn't buy the whole package because I have other products that I've been using in my face right now. I just really want to have a cream that I can put on every night. That's why I bought Speaks G Brightening Cream. But overall, the experience on this product is quite satisfactory, you know. So how do you use the brightening cream? You can only use this at night before you go to sleep. You cannot use this in the morning because the formulation is not made for the harsh effects of the UV rays, you know. So it's really ideal to use during the night time before you go to bed or before you go to sleep. Alright, so before you apply this at night, you have to wash your face with the soap that was included in the package. And then after washing your face with the kojic soap or the orange soap, you have to tone it with the toner. After applying the toner, then that's the time you will apply the rejuvenating cream. But in my case, I didn't use the toner and I didn't use the kojic soap. Although I'm also using a kojic soap, by the way. I'm going to maybe insert the image of the kojic soap that I'm using right now. So my routine in the past 28 days was, I'm going to wash my face with a kojic soap, and then I'm going to cleanse it with this one, Eskinol Pimple Fighting Deep Cleanser. This is for acne prone skin like mine. That's why I chose this. And then after cleaning my face with this cleanser, then that's the time I'm going to put this on my face. Again, it's during nighttime. In the morning, still, I'm going to wash my face with kojic soap, then cleanser, and then sunblock. That is my routine for 28 days. So the fourth thing that I'm going to discuss with you about is, where can you buy brightening cream products? Well, actually, I bought this in an online shop, in Shopee. And I just bought the cream and not the whole package, as I mentioned earlier. And it comes with a buy one take one promo. So I bought this for 130 pesos for 2 brightening creams. I also bought a sunblocker gel because as I've mentioned, if you're using rejuvenating products, it's very important that you put sunblock on your face before you go outside the house, because you don't want to have darker skin on the face when the sun touches your skin. That's why it's very important that you put sunblock on. So maybe I'll just insert the link of the online shop where I bought this in the description box in case you're interested to buy. Final item. Nandiyan pa ba kayo, mga bes? My recommendation for this product is you should try this. So if you have the same skin type as mine, which is oily and acne prone, I think rejuvenating creams are also perfect for you because it really lessens the pimples on your face. But don't expect too much that your face will be clear for 28 days. You have to use it for more than 28 days for you to see the results. So my final decision about this product, I'm going to use this for 2 more months. Maybe I'll provide you an update if this is really effective after 2 months. Then yeah, maybe this will be the product that I'm going to use forever. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm still gonna use this, but as long as it is effective for me, I'm going to use this with this. So I'm not yet planning to use the toner because that is too harsh on my skin. Oh, by the way, there is no peeling effect when you use this. It's just, it has a stingy feeling every time you put the cream on, especially if you're a first time user. But if you get used to it and your face gets used to the product, there will be no stinging sensation anymore. So it is tolerable, by the way. This is worth a try. But if you are a person that always goes out, you know, and your day-to-day life is really outside the house, under the sun, then I don't recommend you using this because it will really affect. It won't really have a good effect on you if you are always under the sun and if you're exposed to the world, because rejuvenating creams make your face thinner. So kung makapal ang face mo, besh, ito ang tama para sa'yo, para nabibis-nibis naman yung face mo. Char! Yan. Again, my recommendation on this product is highly recommended. Kapag ganito yung product na ginagamit mo sa face mo, you always have your umbrella with you and you always have your sunblock with you so that you can reapply the sunblock every now and then. Hindi pwedeng once lang tapos gora na. So that's just about it. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. I'm really looking forward to creating more videos like this. Just let me know in the comments, what do you think are the products that I need to try. I'm not limiting myself to trying different beauty products. The comment section is open for suggestions. Thank you guys for watching, and if you liked this video and if you find this video helpful for you, then I hope you like the video, you leave a comment, and then subscribe to my channel for more videos soon. So I'm just starting my channel, that's why your support will really be appreciated. And yeah, you can connect with me on Instagram as well. My Instagram is amethyst_2389. Please follow me there, and you can always DM me there. Thank you for watching again. Bye. See you on my next video.